Do you want to automate conversations, grow your audience, and boost sales on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp? Well, ManyChat makes it super simple. And today, I'll show you exactly how it works step by step. But first, if you want to test it out for yourself, I've got a link in the description below, and it gives you direct access to ManyChat's free plan so you can follow along. So right off the bat, when you click the link in the description below, it's going to take you to which type of account would you like to hook ManyChat with, because basically you're creating a chatbot for marketing for your business. And let's say I want to set up my own perfume business. For the example that I'm setting today for this account, I set up an Instagram page, an Instagram-based selling page for my perfume business called Joe's Perfume. My name is Joe Mock. Welcome to the video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to navigate through ManyChat using chat automation templates and creating chat automations from scratch. So once we're in the dashboard right here, the first thing you want to do is go to settings, and then you can go to the different channels. Now you can see Joseph's Perfumes, so adeptly named, is already connected. I connected my Instagram, but you can go through and connect all the other channels that you can automate using ManyChat using one account. If people DM your business on any of those myriad accounts, right here, this is the homepage part of your account, and this is basically where you get a snapshot of your entire account. Now, once we start setting up auto DM links and different client names, this is exactly where it's going to appear. You can start from scratch, and in here, you literally just start setting up the automation that happen once people start DMing your business. Now, once you start creating contacts or having contacts on your emails, people that have already DM'd you about wanting to buy perfumes per se, you're going to have a list of all your contacts right here. You can import them from another account, or you can just literally create contacts one by one according to the people that have been contacting you. Or maybe you're setting up this business and you already have about 20 contacts or so that you can add right here. And as soon as you create, they're going to appear in the pipeline. Now, if you go over here to the third option on the left, this is where all your automations are going to appear, like saying hi to new followers. So if you have like about 20 new followers, you can just press this automation and it'll insta DM everybody this exact message. Hey, thanks for following me because now you're part of the crew. I've got a little something for you, 17% off my new course, or 17% off your first purchase, which is a perfume type thing. There you go. And then you just press this, and that's your first automation. And if you move on down to live chat, this is going to be, because I've only connected the Instagram, you can have the entire list of all of the different platforms that you've connected and all your DMs that are going on right now. Very comprehensive. It's great for DM marketing. You don't have to move a lot between anything. You just simply have all your accounts set up and you have complete and utter control from the platform over here. Now I'd like us to create our own automation from scratch. So let's head on to automation, set up a new automation. Now there's a myriad ways that you can automate. There's starting from scratch. You can use one of those aforementioned templates, or you can create with AI. Use AI to answer all your questions. So I'd like to use one of the already made templates. So we're going to go auto DM links from comments. So you can have it be a DM or an auto link for a specific post or a reel or any post. That's if you pay for it and get the pro action. But right now we're on the free version, which you can once again access if you use the link in the description below. So we're going to go a specific post or reel. This is the first post that I've posted for my perfume business. And you can have it be a specific word. So people might, DM you price. And if people DM you price, it turns into something. If you can be any word. So if any commenter leaves a comment, they get a DM. So let's have it be price. All right. So let's keep going. Let's say they do DM price. You click next, and then it gets an opening DM. Hey there. I'm so happy you're here. Thanks so much for your interest. Click below and I'll send you the link in just a sec. Send me the link. Right? So if people, now you're going to give them a DM with the link. All right. So I went ahead and got a link, a DM with the link. There you go. Or here it is. and then you press add a link by here, and then you add the link right here, and then you press save, and basically that's what you get. And then you press go live. So we have created an automation right from a template, and now it is live. Now, if you want to create an automation from scratch, that's also an option, and it's going to take you here, and you can just tailor make an automation from scratch depending on your account. So what we want to do in this automation is that we want user comments on your post or your reel. Let's go user replies to a story, right? And reply contains any words or any reaction whatsoever. What we want people to do, what we want our account to do once people reply to our story, we want to say, hey, thank you. If you're interested in our products, we'd love to help, right? And then we want to go add button. And then you want to go to perhaps your website that you've been marketing on Instagram. And then you want to post your website here. Now I have like a little dummy website set up. So I'll press this website over here. I'm going to link the URL and I'm going to say done. So now if anybody replies to our story with whatever it is, they get this message right here. Some more customization that you might do to that single step is that you can, add text to it. You can add an image. Oh, there's a certain image that's uploading. You can even do stuff with the different users that DM you. You can set it up in a different way. So there you go. It's a website and it's augmented with your own image. Now you can also add different effects to the little automations that you create. You can duplicate the automation. But we don't want to do that, so we'll delete the ones that we just duplicated. There you go. Nice and easy. You can add a single step. For instance, we can, add an Instagram step, an AI step, an action. And on said action, you can add tags you can, set a user. You can tag the user, you can delete that contact. And yeah, that's it. Now we can just press preview, and it gives you an example of the DMs that you got. If somebody sends you a story, you're going to send them this DM and a link to your website with a photo to augment the entire DM experience. So yeah, this is how to create an account on ManyChat. By the way, if you use the link in the description below, you can activate a 14-day free trial. So please use that. This is how to create automations from scratch, set up your business, hook up your different social medias, and create a template for your DM marketing, or create one from scratch with details to boot. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, subscribe for more awesome content, and let us know in the comments below what you want to see from us next.